Today is Friday, September 26, 2025. This is an update for the E63. Why update? I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna explain why. Let me grab one camshaft, any camshaft. Let's grab this one. That's longer. Okay. Let's grab the two exhaust camshafts. Oh boy, make some sound, eh? Let's get also the other exhaust camshaft. Let's get also the one cam adjuster for the intake. This is exhaust. This is exhaust. So we're gonna get these three. Just a second. Where was I now? Okay, the one intake we keep it here. 1, 2, 3. Get the bridge. All right. Get the heading plates here. That's what I need. Oh, wait. Where the friction washers and the bolts? They bring it. They brought the lifters, the Black Series hydraulic lifters. Okay. What about? Someone has a nylon bag in a nylon bag. How smart they are. How smart they are. Why I'm getting only 3 camshafts? Why I get only the 3 cam adjusters? Because these are 11 pieces. They're not 16 pieces. So I'm gonna install the 3 camshafts and then I'm gonna wait for the rest of the lifters to install the rest. Okay. But why I'm getting this out? Why I'm getting this out? Leave this there inside. I need to get this out. All right. I'm gonna set up the timing for 3 camshafts. No worries. We're gonna start in 4 cylinders, right? No, I'm joking. All right. This goes back to the customer. This goes back to the customer, and this and the spring and this. This is the backup that I get before because one was gone. Yeah, and this is the one. Yeah, that had the problem. These are the healthy ones. All right. Let's go outside. I'm gonna show you here, show the car outside and then what I receive. Alright, front of the car. The only thing what I did extra, I get assembly lube here. Alright, from Mr. Joel, sponsored by, you know, he gave it to me. Thank you very much. Why assembly lube? Because we're not gonna start the car today or tomorrow. We are waiting the rest of the lifters. Alright, let me go there on the spare parts to get the bolts and the friction washers, and then opening the covers. We're gonna have to clean the covers. It's not being washed, the covers. These, like I said before, I'm not gonna use them, obviously. I need to bring from inside the other ones to put it on until it comes out of the camshaft. Yeah, no, one bank. Now I have to double check the timing again when it comes also the other camshaft. I don't want to close it for final. Yep. Let me put myself together a little bit here. I'm gonna show you when I'm gonna open the covers. I'm gonna make again a video. Alright, bank 1, exhaust camshaft in place with assembly grease, torque down. Intake, Black Series lifters. Alright, I need to put a little bit more assembly grease here and there. And the new camshaft. But what needs to be done on the new camshaft? Let me get an Allen and see that it's straight through the holes, right? And 2, 4, 6, 8, fine. These are the 3 remaining. They sent us 11, not 16. Fine. Wait 1 second. Let's see, is it being drilled straight through? Yes, it is. Yep. Okay, this is supposed to be alright. The plug is in place. Yes, it is in place. Nice. Assembly grease, assembly lube. And let's have it in. Why I'm checking that? If you see previous video, I found the camshaft that was not being drilled. Alright, let's put also this in. Bank 1, it's done for now. Alright, new camshaft in place. The Black Series lifters on the exhaust, it's the normal ones. Nothing wrong with that. When it comes the time to change the exhaust camshaft, you change also the lifters. Doesn't mean anything. Alright. New camshaft, new lifters, Black Series, lovely. Alright, the bridge back here, this bridge back front here, the other one front, and for now I'm okay. I'm gonna double check again the timing when I'm gonna finish also from bank 2. Just to show you 40 degrees down there. All right. And I'm coming now from the bank 2. What I have done here, I have bring outside the housing. This is the new one from the other, new one, the donor one from the other engine. All right. The old one is there inside with the seals. I put the new seals here as well. Yeah, fine. The old lifters, the housing, the nylon bags. This is from the friction washer. Come on, this is for the friction washer. It's remaining 2 bolts here, 2 friction washers. Yeah, I have to get it inside. Fine. Assembly loop for the housing. I'm gonna put for the intake the remaining 3 lifters and then standing by for the intake. Alright, makes sense. Fine, fine. Let me remove the tools and continue with the bank 2 to finalize the video. And here we go, bank 2. I have put the 3 lifters. 1, 2, 3. Alright. The remaining we are waiting. The exhaust camshaft with assembly grease. Cam adjuster, bolt here, alright, 40 degrees, classic. It looks a little bit weird, right? I have done this before, it's not the first time. It happened before. Now, what can we do, Mr. Jimmy? What can we do? We can put the old lifters with the camshaft, we can start if we want. But, what else we can do? If you make, let us say, if you put 1 lifter per valve, you're gonna screaming all the hydraulic lifters. Why? Because you're gonna bleed the oil. You know the point? But it will gonna start with 1 valve per cylinder, all right? So now, for now, that's what will gonna happen. It's gonna stay like that. It's gonna stay like this. Let me remove the timing tools. Actually, I already removed the 2 bolts from that. No need that one. Okay, let me install also this. From here, I have put 3 bolts for now because I have to take it out again. The guys, they have to wash the covers and they have to put the new seals, but no need to be torqued down. Only 4 bolts per bank until it comes. No, the camshaft, I have the camshaft until it comes the remaining lifters. Let me remove also the bar from here. There you go. Yeah, for this I need the 30 torques. Wait. Alright. Bank 1, bank 2. Fine. Now we're gonna cover it. We need to wash the covers, change the seals, put it with 4 bolts like I said. And meanwhile, I need to put the old camshaft here in this box. The old parts are here. And I need to get these parts inside of the engine room. No need to be here outside anymore. Okay, what's remaining? I have the new intake camshaft in the box, the old one here outside because I'm gonna put it inside at the end when I finish. 1 friction washer, cam adjuster, the reading plate, the reading wheel, and the bolt. And outside, I'm taking outside to put on the other box this one that had a problem. This plate that it looks much decent than the others. 1 tap that I get it from the E-Class, I think, that time, and the spring, the short spring, that I don't want it. Alright. And I have also the camshaft, the old one, the intake, that I put it on the box of the new one. This is returning back to the customer. And that's it for this update. Alright, see you again when I'm gonna receive the remaining, how much we said? We received 8, we need 16 in total, 5 lifters. Yeah, I installed 3, 8 per bank. Yeah, okay. It's remaining 5 hydraulic lifters. As soon as I receive it, I'm gonna make another video. Yay. Meanwhile, I can set the guys to close front. I don't think so it's remaining anything front, so they can put the coolers. Lovely, lovely. Thank you, over and out.